Cirrhosis tortured Phan Van Chung from Lai Chau province for several years until he met young Hmong man Cu A Sua. Taking A Sua's medicine, Chung is now fully recovered.
I was diagnosed with severe cirrhosis. Many doctors advised me to undergo a major operation, but I could not afford it. Thanks to Cu A Sua herbal medicines, I have fully recovered. I went to Long An Provincial Hospital and Cần Thơ City Hospital to seek a cure for my liver condition, but the results were poor. Once, my mom came across a hepatic disease patient who used Cu A Sua medicines. I took the medicines and recovered after 3 months.
Cu A Sua's medicine has been licensed by Lai Chau Provincial Department of Health, making him the first person in the locality to possess a traditional therapy. It was granted as a number of patients who have recovered thanks to his medicine reached 100 people.
Besides applying experiences from my family, I also studied modern knowledge to come up with the medicines. I also applied technology in diagnosis and treatment. We highly praised A Sua as he complies with health and medicinal standards during his clinic's operation. The Department of Health will create favorable conditions for him to run his clinic and ensure that he adheres to relevant requirements.
Cu A Sua's medicine for hepatic diseases won second prize at the contest for Startup Ideas in Lai Chau province in 2018 by the Provincial Youth Union. His success is expected to not only bring hope to hepatic patients, but also inspire locals in starting their own business, contributing to local development.